Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add RGB effect on Filmorago apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Filmorago apps, at the menu you can see a feature, and in here you can see on more. You can just click on more, and after this you can swipe down. In here you can swipe down until you can see RGB effect, this one. Okay, so you just click on RGB, this one, so you just click on it, and in here you just click on use. And after this you can add the photo or a video that you want to edit, but in here I want to add the photo, so you just add the photo that you want to edit, maybe on this one, and after this you can click on next. And in here you can see this is RGB effect from Filmorago apps. You can use everything. You can use the RGB effect that you like, and maybe on this one. Okay, please waiting. Or this one. But in here I wanna use this one, so you just click on it. And in here you just click check icon. And finish. After this you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add RGB effect on Filmorago apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.